Hello everyone, in this video I am going to talk about how to give self-introduction in English language. Only there are 6 things important for giving self-introduction in English language that I am going to talk about in this video. If you want to learn how to give self-introduction while anyone is asking about your introduction, it can be your teacher, it can be in job interviews. So please watch this video. This video is going to be very important because here you are going to learn how to give self-introduction in English language. Okay, so without any further delay, let's get started. So guys, for giving self-introduction in English, there are only 6 things important. Number 1, name. Second, place. Third, job. 4, qualifications. Number 5, hobbies. And number 6, personality. And 7th, experience. So firstly, you have to talk about your name. What is your name? Like I am giving an example. My name is Aditya. You can talk about your name in 2 ways. Like my name is Aditya. I am Aditya. These are 2 ways which you can use while you are giving your introduction. You are talking about your name. You cannot use myself Aditya. That is wrong. That is grammatically wrong. You don't have to use this sentence while you are talking about your name. Only use one of these 2 sentences. My name is ... I am ... Okay, so first you have to speak about your name in these 2 ways, one of these 2 ways. Okay, and secondly you have to talk about your place. Where do you live? I come from. There are 3 ways that you can use while talking about place. I come from ... I belong to ... I am from ... There are 3 ways that you can use while you are talking about place. After you have talked about your name, then you have to talk about place. Like I am Aditya Prajapati. I come from Uttar Pradesh. My name is Aditya Prajapati. I belong to Uttar Pradesh. So, okay, these 2 things have done. And number 3, you have to talk about your job. What do you do? What is your profession? Like, I am a student. Okay, so I will talk about I am a student. After talking about both 2 things, name and place, I will talk about what do I do. So I will say, my name is Aditya Prajapati. I come from Uttar Pradesh and I am a student. Whatever the profession you are in, you have to talk about that profession in this category. You have, whether you are a software engineer or software developer, whether you are a doctor or whatever, you just have to talk about this. Okay, and in 4th position, you have to talk about your qualifications. Like what did you do? What have you completed before? Okay, so like for example, I am going to give my example. I have completed Bachelor of Arts degree from Sri Ramakrishna Prasnatak Mahavidyalaya. Okay, so this is how you can also talk about your qualifications. Whatever you have done, you just have to talk about. It can be anything which you have completed. So this is good way to talk about your introduction in English language. First you have talked about name, second place, and third job, whatever the job you do or whatever the profession you do. Okay, and 4th, that is qualifications. Now we have talked about 4 things. In 5th number, we have to talk about our hobbies. What do we like? There are 2 ways which we can use while talking about hobbies. Number 1, my hobbies are playing cricket, making paintings, watching web series, blah blah blah. And another ways, I like playing cricket, I like playing football, I like doing this thing, I like making paintings. So there are 2 ways that you can use while talking about hobbies. Okay, so we have talked about 5 things. What do we like? Where do we live? What is our name? And what is our profession? And all the things we have talked about. Now we just have to talk about our personality. Now we can talk about our personality. That is not very important in general, when you will go in interviews, that will be important for you to talk about your personality. Okay, and number 7, that is your experience. In which sector, in which thing you have gained experience. When you are going for interview, you will definitely you will definitely need to talk about your experiences. Whatever the experiences there is needed, you will have to talk about that experience while you are giving your interview. So guys, these are the 7 things that I have talked about in this video. While you are giving your interview, you have to talk about these 7 things in the sequences. So guys, I am going to repeat those 7 things which are very very important for us to use when we are talking about the interviews. Number 1, in the sequence we have to talk about, firstly we have to talk about name, then place, then job, then then qualification, and then hobbies, and then what types of personality do we have. Okay, and then we have to talk about our experiences. So these are 7 things which are very very important while we are giving our interview. Okay, so while we are giving our self introduction in English, we just have to be focused only on these 7 things, and your introduction will be done in a very very good manner. Okay, so I think you have got the point. I think you have understood. If you have understood and if you have found this video helpful for you, so please like and subscribe to my channel, and please support me. Okay, so have a good day. We will meet in another videos. Okay, bye bye.